Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group 12 will do a presentation with the title Social and Political Impact of Physical Theory. Let me introduce myself. I am Tuan Lestari with NPM 49 as the moderator and my friend.
My name is Tantri Widyaningsi with NPM 50.
Okay, the first material is about the influence of the theory of relativity on politics and society, which will be delivered by my friend to Tantri. This is your time.
Okay, thank you, Twenty. The influence of the theory of relativity on politics and society. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, particularly special relativity 1905 and general relativity 1915, revolutionized physics understanding of space, time, and gravity, and had a profound impact beyond the world of science. His famous equation E is equal to mc square explains that mass can be converted into a large amount of energy, which then become the basis for the development of nuclear technology, including the creation of atomic bombs used in Hiroshima and Nagasaki at the end of World War II. The political impact of this theory was particularly evident during the Cold War, when the United States and the Soviet Union competed in a nuclear arms race, making such weapons symbol of national power and tools of international diplomacy, while also fueling global tensions that persisted for decades. From a social perspective, the threat of destruction caused by nuclear weapons created collective anxiety and a culture of fear, which in turn gave rise to a global speech, created collective anxiety and a culture of fear, which in turn gave rise to a global peace movement demanding nuclear disarmament. This demonstrates that scientific theories such as relativity not only transform knowledge but also influence the political dynamics and social life of modern society. Next, technological revolution of technological revolution and social transformation from quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics emerged to explain subatomic phenomena that could not be explained by classical physics and become the basis for the development of advanced technologies such as semiconductors, lasers, and computers. The discovery of semiconductors enable the creation of transistors, which become the foundation of all modern electronic devices, while the application of quantum mechanics in lasers made a major contribution to the field of medicine, communication, and industry. This technological transformation has triggered massive social change change, including the digital revolution that has changed the way humans communicate, work, and learn. The internet and communication technology have driven globalization by connecting societies instantly. However, this revolution has also brought social challenges such as the digital group in society. Dependence on technology has given rise to new risks such as cybersecurity threats and privacy violations, as well as the potential misuse of technology for surveillance and social control by states or large corporations. Next, physics and the socio-political context, reciprocal interaction. Physics as a scientific discipline does not develop in isolation from social and political conditions. As research funding, research directions, and the application of scientific results are, are often influenced by political and economic interests. During World War II, many physicists were involved in large military projects such as the Manhattan Project, which aimed to create nuclear weapons to win the war, with substantial fund, funding from the government and military. In addition, the dissemination and interpretation of physics is also inseparable from the context of ideology and politics, as seen in the speech race between the United States and the Soviet Union, which was triggered not only by scientific progress but also by ideological and political competition. This shows that the development of physics is greatly influenced by the socio-political context that shapes its direction and impact. Next, ener- energy political and the implication of nuclear physics. Nuclear energy is one of the important achievements of modern physics in the field of technology and is often considered a strategic solution to meet global energy needs and reduce carbon emissions. However, its use raises complex political and social dynamics. Politically, the development of nuclear energy is influenced by national polit- policies aimed at strengthening energy independence and geopolitical consideration as seen in the nuclear programs of Iran and North Korea, which have raised international concerns about the potential for weapons development, leading to sanctions and diplomatic tensions. From a safety perspective, major accidents like Chernobyl 1900 a a 9 and
86.
Fukushima caused significant damage and fuel public fear or radiation risks and nuclear waste, sparking anti-nuclear movements that advocate for a transition to renewable energy. Socially, nuclear energy has sparked debates about fairness and risk distribution as communities hosting power plants or waste disposal sites are often vulnerable groups that bear the negative impact without receiving commensurate benefits. Therefore, nuclear energy policy must comprehensively consider ethical, environmental, and social aspects. Okay, I will back moderator.
Okay, thank you, Tantri. The next material, ethics and responsibility of physics. Physics play a crucial role in shaping technological development and its impact on society, making it increasingly urgent to integrate ethical consideration into every stage of research and technology application. History show that scientists often face ethical dilemmas. Manhattan Project, who felt responsible for the destructive impact of the atomic bomb and later supported nuclear disarmament and global peace. This underscores the importance of ethical awareness and critical reflection in the scientific profession. Modern physics technologies such as big data, artificial intelligence, and quantum computing also pose new challenges related to surveillance and privacy. So, physicists need to engage in public dialogue and policy to ensure that technology provides fair benefits to society. Therefore, ethics education in physics and science in general is key to shaping scientists who are not only technically competent but also socially responsible and of their work. The next materi, physics and the dynamics of global power. Mastery of modern physics technology is a key factor in determining a country's global position. At countries with high technological capability can control strategic sectors such as the military, energy, communication, and science. The dominance of Western countries and several development countries is communication system strengthens their position in international negotiation, both in the field of security and economic. The technological gap between the development and developing countries reinforces power imbalance, where developing countries often depend on the technology and investment of developed countries, which can weaken sovereignty and widen inequality. Although some developing countries are trying to catch up through large investment in basics, research, and development. They still face in the context of globalization, mastery of basic-based technology also influence culture and social values. As technology is used as a means of spreading certain ideology and cultural influence. This saw the basics in culture and public perception. Modern physics theories not only drive market paradigm shift in philosophy, art, and social thought. Relativity and challenge the classical view of absolute time and space. Reality, existence, and humanity relationship with the universe, including an awareness of the subjective of events. Quantum mechanics, which is principles of uncertainty, has sparked discussion about determinism, and possibility. Of art and literature and complexity of reality in the society can accept technological advance in a more critical and responsible manner. Okay, the last one conclusion. Physics not only impacts scientific discoveries and technological innovation, it also influences politics, society, and culture on a broad scale. The theory of relativity the development of nuclear weapons, which former military threatened the global order. Technological digital divide, ethical issues, and technological dependence. The relationship between physics and society is reciprocal, where the direction of research is influenced by policy and cultural values. While physics helps shape social norms and political power, therefore, a comprehensive approach is needed to that exacerbating conflict or inequality. Okay, that's our presentation. Thank you.